Hello, my name is Thanacha Chupacharan, but you can call me Pi as in 3.14159. Today I'm going to talk about optimal control toolbox that I've been written about about a week now. So this control toolbox is written in MATLAB. It's not the most efficient way, but it's definitely easy to use. So I've been thinking about the user interface, some API. So I hope you guys can use it easily. It's even have some example, some simple example. So why optimal control? Right? You guys might wonder. So optimal control sounds like something to do with figure out the control policy to do some kind of optimization. So you're right about that. Optimal control has been a very interesting subject. It's basically the way to go because everyone loves optimality. Why not? Maximize the profit, minimize the fuel. I mean, sometimes you have to come up with some kind of cost and you have to minimize it. The problem is, what is that control policy to create such a thing? Because sometimes it's not obvious. Sometimes you have very complex dynamics. Of course, you can influence the system using your control inputs, but maybe the state is not what you like. You want the state to be subject to these constraints, but at the end, how can you be sure it's optimal? So my control toolbox can numerically calculate for those kind of solution. For example, I want my aircraft to navigate from this point to the goal, subject to all this obstacle, and it will find a control policy such that it will minimize the fuel. Another example, optimal control can be used in economics as well. So lots of people who teach optimal controls actually majors in economics. So for example, is like you want to maximize the profit or revenue, depends on which one you want to maximize, subject to some dynamic constraints, I'm not good with this kind of example, but you can see that it can be used. It doesn't have to be the continuous dynamics, can be discrete, year by year or whatever, but you need to be able to formulate optimal control problems. Okay, so the next clip I'm gonna talk about how to formulate this kind of problem, and then the following clip I would basically tell you about how to use the toolbox. So thank you for watching. Keep in touch.